Akhil is beginning his magic show with a tongue twister. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so Betty bought better butter to make the bitter butter better. It's time for the second twister. Listen to it carefully because there might be some math hidden in it. 4 times a certain 2-digit number is 7 times the number obtained on interchanging its digits. If the difference between the digits is 4, find the number. Well, I think this tongue twister was a math question. If you are asked to quickly speak out the tongue twister just after hearing it once, it will be difficult. But if we read it statement by statement and understand it, it will be easier for us to memorize and speak it out. Similarly, questions like these that appear as difficult as tongue twisters, we should begin by reading and understanding the question sentence by sentence. In this question, we are talking about a 2-digit number. So let's assume the digits to be x and y. Therefore, the number would be 10x plus y. The question says that 4 times the 2-digit number, which will be 4 into 10x plus y. Moving further, if the digits are interchanged, 7 times of this new number is equal to 4 times the first number. Now let's read the last statement. It says if the difference between the digits is 4, we have to find the number. Since one of the digits is x and the other digit is y, the mathematical representation of the question will be x minus y is equal to 4. So we've got 2 equations here. We can see that the second equation is already in the standard linear form. But since the first equation is not in standard form, we'll simplify it. On simplifying, we get the first equation as 33x minus 66y is equal to 0. I hope you guys can remember how to solve 2 simultaneous equations. I'm going to use the elimination by substitution method here. From the first equation, we can see that x can be expressed in terms of y as y plus 4. On substituting the value of x, we get the value of y as 4. Now, on substituting this value of y in the first equation, we get the value of x as 8. Finally, to find our 2-digit number, we'll substitute these values of x and y in the expression 10x plus y and get the number as 84. So, in a nutshell, when we get tongue twister like questions like these, read the question sentence by sentence, represent them mathematically in the form of equations, and then solve those equations to find the final answer. Now, I'm off to enjoy the tongue twisters in the magic show, and here's one for you too. See if you can say this real quick. A mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically. So if a mathematician can mathematize mathematics mathematically, why can't I mathematize mathematics mathematically like a mathematician who mathematizes mathematics mathematically?